Oh, the engine's still in there, Uncle Spike.
You say really rude words now, Steve. It's too hot.
It is too hot. So what have you actually been doing then?
I've got that one up.
Ah, lovely. So the should we call it the valver? The valver is out of the 106. Oh look, you put the 3-stud front struts on there.
She's loving it.
Which means, those wheels look good as well, Spike.
Yeah, boy.
So have you got on there like the standard 106 stuff?
Saxo.
What's standard Saxo stuff?
It's got lowering springs on it.
With lowering springs? Oh, eBay lowering springs, I hope.
I quite suspect they're Chinese
Yeah.
quality.
Excellent. And you put the bigger brakes on?
Yes, is it a 2.8 GTI?
2.8 GTI brakes. Hey, those wheels look great on that.
Yeah.
Cool. So both sides done?
Yes.
Nice. So we've just got to rip that axle out of there then, by the looks of it.
Yeah.
And put that axle in here. We're putting this one back in there, so that's rollable, I'm guessing.
Yep.
Right.
Ooh, hang on. Mr. Fox did something as well.
Mr. Fox did something. What did Mr. Fox did? Oh.
Crackle black.
It's crackle black to the... Oh, they look alright, don't they? Sweet. So... Yeah, so all this was leaking like mad, wasn't it, on the engine? So.
Yeah, one had a seal in it, one didn't, and the one that had a seal in it had more silicone than I've ever seen in my life.
Cool. Oh, I don't like doing things on the floor.
No. Well, let's get that one out first and then we'll...
Yeah.
a copy.
You what?
I said that'll give me a copy, won't it?
Hey, all this is so tiny. Oh yeah, that's the axle off of that one.
It's like a Smarties lid.
It is like a Smarties lid. It's all like 30 seconds work as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
The axle's on the floor in like 10 minutes. It's unbelievable. But yeah. Well, there we go. The old VTS is rolling on the old 3 studs. Oh,
It suits it.
oh, it does suit it. I like that a lot. Danger. Rally style. And we now got the old 4-stud disc axle on the back of this, which means this is going to do reverse endos. Sling it in R. Wob, wob, wob. Hit the brake pedal. And so we're putting the wheels on this and getting it on the floor just so we see what it looks like.
Yeah.
Mate, I really like that. That looks cool. Just happened to have a set hanging around. Compomotives in Peugeot offset. Oh, let's get on the floor, see what it looks like. Mate, you are going to be so down with the kids. You'll be slammed, bro.
I actually hate it.
Yeah, we got to twist that up, haven't we, and get that. If that looked the same as the front, I think that'd be just about right.
Yeah.
That's going to be so fucking uncomfortable.
But it looks good with wheels.
It does look good with those wheels, yeah, yeah. Mate, it does look great. Yeah. Nice. So what else have you done, Uncle Spike? Got yourself a nice new brake cylinder. Look at that. He's ordered his, got a nice new master cylinder to go on the Saxo servo. That's going in because he's deleting the ABS. And I've got you a nice new ECU, haven't I?
Woo!
And how's your compressor, mate? All right?
A bit late to turn it on, isn't it?
Well, I'm quite happy. You look like you're enjoying yourself.
Yeah. I'm happy with my neighbours, won't be.
No, that's true. You've got the noisiest compressor on the planet, in fairness. And as that came free with the car,
Yeah.
think,
Do something.
is it leg day?
No one skips leg day.
Well, that was fairly short-lived. Uncle Spike's trying to get it back up, and the torsion bars wouldn't come out, Uncle Spike, would they?
No. Lovely French idea.
It is a lovely French idea. So we're gonna have to take the axle back off and get our Stef out of retirement.
Yeah.
Which I'm sure he's gonna be properly happy about.
Yeah. But it's worth it.
Yeah, it's worth it. Have you spoke to him yet?
Yeah, kind of let him know.
Kind of let him know, right? Okay, well, we've got to get the axle back off of this And then we've got to drive over to see Stefan, who had Stefs Axles. He's quite well known in the Peugeot world. But he doesn't do it anymore. He's got a proper job, so we're gonna have to go and see him on a Sunday, I guess.
He likes it when you send him a text message with lots of swearing in it.
All right. Well, I suppose we better get this back off and go and see Steph then.
Yay.
See you soon, Steph.
Tell him that we drag him out of retirement first.
I'll do that in a minute.
I forgot how to do it.
Oh, come on, Steph. I want sparks and fire. You're going to use a welder or the oxyacetylene at any point, please let me know. Is it broke yet?
Really?
Please break his axle. Go on, bend it in half. Oh, it's pro job. Shut up. Did that just push that straight out?
That's easier than a hammer.
Nice. Nice.
But it wasn't me.
That's a grinder mark.
Wow, that it is, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
State of that.
Bearing's been trying to rotate on, well, I don't know what it is, but in metal.
That's knackered.
Hmm.
So you're going to replace that, Stefan, here?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Some shorts that are doing it for me. Oh.
He's really happy now, Steve.
Why is it that with this car spike we seem to be always going to the beach?
Yeah. So we should throw it in the fucking sea.
Yeah. Nice. So you're going to push the old stub axles out now. And that's going to... Why? Hey, look at that. Badass. One. Nice.
I'm not going to lie, I jumped.
Yeah, I did a little wee as well. Nice. So is that the good one?
That's a good one.
So that's the one that we think someone's replaced already, but Steph's going to replace them both for us because he's a bit of a leg end. Lovely. That's the good one out, mate. Oh.
You missed.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
And that is your 106 rear axle, and that's the bare bones of it. Saxo 106 AX is all the same, innit? Nicely done, Steph. That was some fair work there. I'm quite surprised. So what's the next step?
New ones.
New ones. Hammer them in just with a axe. Get the axe out.
Precision axe.
Precision axe. Yeah. It looks good on you, mate.
This is secretly how I did all of them.
Nice. That bit ain't no good, Spike, is it?
No.
The bore on there is too big, so
Someone's
Stefan has told us just to scrap it and throw it away, and he's got another one that he's removed from something else for us. Yeah. I mean, well, and this is my my yellow dong. So Stefan's now supplied one which will hopefully fit, which now fits his fitment standards, so that's good news. Oh, I do like that press.
Way down, isn't she?
Oh.
There's no need to weld them in, is there?
No. Jesus Christ.
Feel that.
How hot is it?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh. So this is axle. How many axles is this now? This axle 3 or
This is number 3.
This is tube number 3 because Spike's tube, as it turns out, the end is too big. It's knackered. So somebody has machined that, we think, to fit in there, and it's just all to bollocks. So Steph has been. Oh yeah. So that should press fit in there, and it just falls in. So Steph's really not pleased, and neither are we. So he's been round in his garden and dug out another one.
How's retirement, mate? Loving it, mate. I've even put on some weight.
So yeah, we're about to get the tube off of this one, and that's an axe, and I'm moving.
This one sounds a bit better.
Yeah.
Well, you didn't throw it in from 12 metres away.
So do we have an axle now?
Yay!
We got a tube for an axle. My God, what an absolute ball ache all this is. Mate, I think it'd be cheaper or more sensible to put fully independent suspension on the back of the bloody thing.
I've lost the will to move.
Yeah. My God, well.
I hope Steph don't think he's getting overtime.
Yeah, well, like, this is good advertisement for Steph, because this is Stefs Axles, and he loves playing with axles, and he just wants a queue of work, please.
What part of the word retired do you One.
Well, that's one. There we go. Nice. There we go. New axle in, thanks to Steph, and that's the ride height we're going to stick with, we think.
Yep.
Right, happy days. It looks a bit high on the front.
Yeah, I made it lighter again.
Oh, that's the old engine there, Uncle Spike.
It's a little baby, isn't it?
It is a little baby, and that, by the looks of it, is the Saxo engine. And it looks like you've been busy. What have you done?
Remove this anchor.
We remove that anchor, yep.
Now rust proofing as best you can on a well, a Coke can car.
Yep, that's fair enough.
Slap that in.
So we've done the engine, because we used to have oil leaks and shit everywhere.
Well, we've had to strip the whole thing to pieces and basically put gaskets and seals in it.
Because it didn't have any gaskets, did it, on the covers?
I had a gasket on the back one and not on the front.
It's no wonder it was covered in bloody engine oil,
the
really.
cam ladders, I don't know what they've done. Must have had like a 12mm hole in the end of the silicon gun and...
Probably one of them battery ones, the McKee.
It wasn't me for bolts, I just glued it all together. So I've taken all the pieces. I mean, inlet, track, well, basically every gasket on there. The head gasket has been changed.
Happy
Or
days.
put on.
And
New cam belt.
new belt, water pump. Happy days.
New one of those because it's still in there.
Oh, lovely. Lovely. Right, so that then, back in there over the next week or so, I guess.
Yep. I also put AN fittings on the breathers as well. So welded that one.
Ah, yes.
Welded that one onto
Good
the...
plan. Ah, nice. That is good. I like that a lot. I've noticed there's no throttle bodies here.
No. I ran out of money again.
Fuck off. Fuck richest bloke I know. Fortunately, I've got an ECU for you now at home. Woo! Which is...
It's finally arrived.
Yeah, we're going to use a Max ECU, obviously. Shocker. Max ECU, I think we're going to put a street on this one, which will...
The baby one.
Eh?
The baby one.
Yeah, the smallest one. I mean, it's that or... It really depends, and we can use like the Sport, which will allow drive-by-wire if you think that we may want to go drive-by-wire in the future, like a drive-by-wire. Maybe like the Yamaha one.
Yeah, possibly.
Drive-by-wire throttle body, something like that. I don't know. Decisions. Well, either way, we've got a street at home, and we can potentially upgrade it to a Sport if we need to. But so in the next episode, then we'll be throwing that back in there
and hoping it fits.
So either way, we've got nice new suspension, nice new wheels, all new brakes as well.
Yeah.
All new brakes. What brakes we got on the front now?
206 GTI.
206 GTI brakes.
Yeah.
So brand new. What, Saxo?
Yeah.
It's just Saxo stuff in the end. Right, cool. So, yeah, brakes, suspension all done. Rust proofing done. Engine ready. The poor old Saxo's looking a bit sort of...
Better.
Yeah! Yeah, that wheel gap there. That is epic. Looks like the AX did.
In all fairness, it is on axle stands.
Yeah. No, I like it. I like it a lot. Happy days. The old 3 studs VTS.
It's like a 2CV gap.
It's a 2CV gap, yeah. Right, happy days. Right, see you all next time then. Say bye-bye, Uncle Spike.
Cheerio.